running 18-wheelers. So he's been in machines all his life. He's fixed machines. He understands machines. We're standing in front of his sawmill here on his farm where he cuts out wood, and we've given him use of the Cybertruck, or Elon has, for the last couple of weeks. And we're gonna ask him a really simple question. Could you replace the truck that you drive, which is a Ford F-350, with the Cybertruck? We're gonna go inside his sawmill and meet Patrick Feeney. Patrick Feeney, like your shirt.
Thank you, sir.
So you've had the Cybertruck for a couple weeks.
Had it, well, actually, technically since Monday.
Since Monday.
Right, 1 week.
And today is Friday.
Right.